Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to automate virtual fitness coaching via WhatsApp. So I run an online fitness coaching center and want my clients to book appointment and get workout tips automatically via WhatsApp. So for that we are going to build a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, and this chatbot is going to respond to your clients' queries 24/7 while you are busy or unavailable. So in this video, firstly we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to build this automation or this WhatsApp chatbot, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to automate virtual fitness coaching via WhatsApp. So right before you on my screen you can see this is the flow I have created for creating this chatbot, and this chatbot is going to interact with your customers or the clients 24/7 without need of any manual intervention. So now I am going to show you how you can build this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, but before that I am going to show you the real working of this automation or this WhatsApp chatbot. So for testing this WhatsApp chatbot, let's move on to my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I'm going to send a message to the number which I've already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here this number is saved as my test number. So here I'm going to enter a message that is book fitness session. So here I'm going to enter this message, and this message is going to act as a trigger which is going to initiate my chatbot, and I have entered this word as my keyword in my flow. So now you might be thinking, what is this keyword? So I'm going to answer this while creating the flow for our WhatsApp chatbot. So as I have entered this message, I am getting a welcome message which says, "Hi, welcome to XYZ fitness platform, ready to achieve your fitness goals." And afterwards here we are getting a message which says, "Here are the fitness coaching plans available." So now let's open this list and check the coaching plans. So here you can see I am getting some of the plans. So now let's say I am going to select this plan, that is premium plan. So I am going to select it, and as I have selected the second item of my list, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my full names. So now I'm going to enter my full name as testing user. So now let's type it, and here I have entered it, and as I have provided my name, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my email address. So now I'm going to enter my email address as testinguser@pabblytudes.com. So here I'm going to type it, and here I have entered my email address as well, and as I have provided my email address, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter the date. So now I'm going to enter my preferred date as well. So here I have entered my date as well, and as I have provided my date, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter the preferred timing. So now I'm going to enter my preferred timing as well. So here I have entered my timing as 6 p.m. and as I have provided my timing as well, I'm getting a message which says, "Thank you testing user for booking session." So here you can see I'm getting the same name which I have recently entered over my WhatsApp chatbot. So you can observe that I'm getting the same name, means we are getting the personalized message by the help of this WhatsApp chatbot. And here I'm getting the same plan which I have recently selected, that is premium plan, with the same email address, preferred date, preferred time. So here you can see the WhatsApp chatbot which I have created is working properly. Now I'm going to show you how you can build this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, and we are going to build this without even a single word coding. So for creating this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to access Pabbly Chatflow, and for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to type its URL over the new tab. That is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click over this sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can simply click over this sign in. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing Pabbly Chatflow. Now before moving on forward, I am going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, marketers and business owner gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly application. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us. And if you wish to join the Pabbly community, you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to my Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I am going to simply click over this sign in. And once you finish your sign up, you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where you can see the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create a chatbot, we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow app by by clicking on this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, which can be seen here. And on this dashboard page you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button. And on this add WhatsApp number button you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, and if you want to connect with token number you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow, and if you want to learn more about these features you can find video link in the description given below. Now as we are going to create a chatbot, for that we simply have to click over the flows given on the sidebar, and once you will click over the flows you will be landed to this flow builder page where you can see these are the flows created by me. And if you want to create your own flow you simply have to click over this add flow button, and you will be landed to the flow page which can be seen here. And here we are getting the option for entering the flow name. So now let's provide a name to our flow here. So here I am providing it the name Automate Virtual Fitness Coaching via WhatsApp, and afterwards we are getting this option for trigger. So now you might be wondering what is this trigger. So trigger is the action which is going to initiate a WhatsApp chatbot, and on this trigger we are getting many trigger events such as keyword rejects match, user starts conversation, template selected, and many more. And here I am going to keep it as the same, that is the keyword rejects match. Now you might be wondering what is this keyword and reject. So keywords are the words which initiate your chatbot. Now let's say I want to initiate my chatbot as soon as someone enters a message consisting of this word, that is fitness plans. So for that you simply have to type it and press the enter key, and here our one keyword is ready. Now as soon as someone will enter a message consisting of this word, our WhatsApp chatbot will be initiated, and this is exactly the same as the word which I have recently entered while testing our WhatsApp chatbot. So now you might have got the meaning of keyword, and afterwards we are getting the option for rejects. So rejects is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the specific user input, and if you want to trigger any message you can enter rejects like this. But here as I have already added my keyword I will be removing this rejects from here. And as we are done with our trigger, now I am going to send a welcome message to my clients with the list of the plans. So for that you simply have to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting this option for list. So you just have to select it and you will be getting this list node where you can create the list of the plans. So here you can see in this list node we are getting the option for entering the header, body, and footer for the list. So now I am going to provide a body and footer for the list here. So here you can see I have entered this body for my list. Now I am going to provide a footer to my list here, and here I have provided the footer as well. Now I am going to add some items to this list. So for that firstly we have to create the section. So for creating the section we simply have to click over this add section, and here you have to enter the section title. So now I am going to enter my section title as plans, and here I have entered my section title as well. And now I am going to add some items to the section. So for that you simply have to click over this add items, and here you have to enter the title, and if you want you can enter the description as well. So here I am going to enter my first plan in this title box. So here I have entered the title, and afterwards I am going to enter the pricing of this plan in my description box. And here you can observe that I have provided the pricing in the description box as well. So with this we are done with our first item. Now I am going to add some more items to this list. So for that again you have to click over this add items, and here you have to enter the title and description of our another items. So here you can see I have created this list of 3 items, that is basic plan, premium plan, and ultimate plan. Now if my user selects any of these plans I want to save that response. So for saving this response we have to provide contact custom field to all these 3 items. So for providing the contact custom field you just have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for set custom field. So you just have to select it or drag it and you will be getting this contact custom field node. And here I am going to connect this first item with this contact custom field action node, and afterwards it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields I have created, and if you want to create your own contact custom field you simply have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting this option for contact custom field. So you just have to select it, but before that you have to save the flow by clicking on the save button so that you don't lose your data. And as you will select this contact custom fields you will be landed to the contact custom fields page which I have already opened, and here you can see these are the contact custom fields I have created. And if you want to create your own field you simply have to click over this add more field button, and here you have to provide the field name, and afterwards you simply have to click over this save button and your contact custom field will be created. But as I have already created my contact custom field I will be selecting it over my Pabbly Chatflow. So here I'm going to select my contact custom field as plan. So now let's search for it. So here you can see I'm getting this plans contact custom field. So I'm going to select it, and afterwards it is asking me to enter the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field. So here I'm creating this contact custom field for this list item, that is basic plan. So here I'm going to enter the same value. So with this we have created the contact custom field for the first item. Now I'm going to do the same for the rest of the list items. So here you can see I have created the contact custom field to all these 3 list items. Now as soon as my user selects any of these list items, I want to ask them some questions. So for asking the question, you just have to go to actions again, and here you can see we are getting this option for ask question. So you just have to select it or drag it, and you will be getting this question action node where you can enter the question which you want to ask from your customer. So now I'm going to connect all these contact custom field node with this question node. So as my user selects any of these list items, my user will be redirected to this question. So now I'm going to enter a question asking for the full name here. So here you can see I have entered this question asking for the full name, and afterwards I am going to select my contact custom field as full name, which can be seen here, and afterwards I am going to select my format as any. So with this we are done with our first question as well. Now likewise I am going to add some more questions to my flow. So here you can see I have entered this another question asking for the email address, where I have selected my contact custom field as email, and here I have selected my format as email as well. And as I have selected my format as email, I have got this option for entering the number. So here it is basically asking you to enter the number of attempt you want to provide to your customer for entering the valid input for the email, and afterwards we are getting this option for entering the validation error message. So this is the message which will be sent to your customers or the clients if they enter an invalid input. So here I have provided my number of attempt as 1, and here I have entered my validation error message also. And the next question I have entered where I am asking for the preferred date, where I have selected the contact custom field as date, and the format I have selected as date. And as I have selected the format, again I am getting the option for entering the number of attempt and entering the validation error message. And the last question I have entered where I am asking for the timing. So with this we are done with our all question. Now as soon as my user provides me answer of all these questions, I am going to provide them a thank you or the confirmation message with all their details. So for that you just have to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting this option for text button. So you just have to select it, and you will be getting this text button node where you can enter the message which you want to send to your customers or the clients. So now I am going to enter a thank you or the confirmation message here, but in a personalized way. So here you can see I have entered this thank you or the confirmation message, and here you can observe that I have entered this word, that is $full name. So this $full name specifies the contact custom field which we have recently selected in our first question, where I am asking for the full name. Now as soon as my user will provide me the answer of this question, the response will be replaced in this message node, and we will be able to send personalized message to our clients. So by the help of the contact custom field, you can send personalized message, as contact custom field help you to store extra information about your clients or the customers. So here you can see I have entered this message where I am providing the name of the plan, for which I have selected the contact custom field, that is $plans, and afterwards I have entered a thank you or the confirmation message. So here you can see that we have successfully created a flow without even a single word coding. Now we just have to save this flow. So for that you simply have to click over the save button, and here you can see we are receiving this pop-up which says flow updated successfully, means we have successfully saved our flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving message from our customer and how we are sending them the automated reply, let me take you towards my inbox section. So for that you simply have to click over the inbox given on the sidebar, and you will be landed to this inbox page where you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and on this particular number you can see I am successfully receiving this message from my customers, and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. And one point has to be noticed that this is following the path which we have created through a flow, means if a user sends us a message, we are going to send them a welcome message with the list of the plans, and if my user selects any of these list items, I am going to provide them a question asking for the full name for confirming the session. So here you can see how easily I have created this WhatsApp chatbot. So you can also create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, and you can even share the flow which you have created with your friends. So for sharing the flow, you just have to go to the flow builder page again, again, and here you can see this is the flow which I have recently created. So you just have to select the three dots on the flow which you want to share, and here you can observe that we are getting this option for share flow. So you just have to select it and you will be getting the share link. So you can share this flow link to your friends so that they can also know about this amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow, and they can also automate their all tasks so that they don't have to do any manual work. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing automations and chatbots like this. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and if you want to practice this flow, you can find its link in the description given below. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.